and so on. So these are some more pictures of which is about the campus itself, and the type of sports and the other facilities which is available into the broad campus. Now coming to why this college is a good college, you see on the right side that it has got this is a new college, but in last 8 to 10 years it has got a very good reputation in terms of providing a quality education. So that's a result of that. You see it's part of lot number of the research and done by different rating bodies. India Today, the week it has positions of in India Today ninth in Bangalore, and in All India position 111. And also this is being ranked already by NIRF, which is National Institutional Ranking Framework for by Government of India, and its category for a university is between 151 to 200, and as an engineering college it is between 201 to 250. So this is a good college, which we could consider. Now coming to the branches, it offers a wide range of branches, in terms of specializations into computers, science and the related branches like artificial intelligence, information science or computer science, with AIML and host of, it has also has a branch, which is computer science and information technology. And then within electronics also it has a host number of branches: ECE, electronics and computer engineering, electrical and electronics, electrical and computer. So you have a different altogether different combinations of branch which are available in this college. So basically you have a good range of options to choose, and from these branches which are available. Now let's get into the, as I said, there's a computer information technology branch which has many multiple offers like CSC, IT, AIML and so on. And then there's the electrical and electronics engineering and ECE as a two separate options. And then the traditional core sector branches like civil and mechanical, which I have already elaborated. So now coming into the overall, the admission process. So the admission to this college is through two modes. One is the KCET, and the second is the COMET-K, and the third is through management quota. So all 45% of all seats are reserved as a part of KCET entrance process, and 30% for COMET-K, and the rest of the the seats are through 25% seats are through management quota. So this is what I'm displaying is basically 2020 cutoff for Reva University of engineering faculty, and you see the branches like 22,000, you can get a CSE, and in something like good like 32,000 you can get AIML specific qualification, and 29,000 you get your information science engineering, and then there's a new branch here, computer science and IT, you get at 25,000. So basically close to 30,000 you can get a computer specialization in this college. So this you should consider when your rank is not very high and you still want to have a computer science degree. Same goes with electronics and the other branches. You get up to 37,000 and 40,000. And if you're looking for triple E, then those rankings are much beyond, which is 1 lakhs plus ranking you get triple E. And civil engineering similarly goes quite beyond. So I suggest you go for only on the top branches into this college, which is related with computer science or electronics. Now coming to the cutoff for the COMET-K exams, again here also you can get computers and the related branch quite good. Like in information service, ISC related, you can see around 10,988, EC 25,000, and then mechanical 42,000, and electrical 41,000. So now coming to the placement, as I said, it is a good infrastructure. So not only the good infrastructure, but it is a good placements also. So there are 1,330 job offers which have been rolled out across university, and out of which good number are for engineering faculty. And the highest package offered from this campus is our Reva University is 23 lakhs, which is a traditionally good package. And average salary 4.5 to 5.5 lakhs, and 90% is the placement record which college claims. So we can go into actually the more detail about this later, but these are the typical companies which visit this college. So you see a good number of mix of again software services company, traditional companies like Berger or other which are specific to manufacturing segment. And so this is how these are the list of few companies, and even you see HDFC and ICICI banks. So that's all. These are few more companies, adding to that list: KPMG, Cognizant, DXC, Rakuten, VMware, Value Labs. So all of them are good companies. So that's all. Now coming to the last part of it, the facilities part of it. So it has a good, look at lush green campus. Along with that, there is a good hostel facility, health facility. You can see in the image, and there's a boys and the girls hostel both available. And for the students who reside in the nearby region, there is a bus facility also. So overall, there is a good infrastructure. There is a good, environment to study academics, and good number of the modern branches which provides for faster placement. So everything is good here, and you can take consider this college. If your ranking is say 20, 25,000, 30,000, 35,000, you still get a good branch here in the last round. So thank you students for watching this. Hope you got a bit of the different things, different placement opportunities which are available with the REVA along with the campus in infrastructure facilities. And please do subscribe to this channel so that you get tuned to more colleges which I am going to present in next few days, right, which are part of KCT and the COMET-K, and then you can compare and select branch or college depending on your appetite and likedness. So please do share this video with any of your friends who will be also interested to study pursue similar courses in Karnataka and Bangalore. Thank you. Take care.